Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Ecobee Calibrating Heat Cool Disabled Setup and Sensor Troubleshooting Guide. Fix 1. Restart the Ecobee thermostat. Gently remove the Ecobee thermostat from its wall plate. Now wait for around 30 seconds, then reattach the thermostat to the wall plate and allow the thermostat to boot up and begin recalibrating. Then check if heating and cooling controls become available. Fix 2. Wait for calibration to complete. Check how long the thermostat has been showing calibrating heat/cool disabled. Then wait 5 to 20 minutes, especially if the thermostat was recently installed or restarted. Then monitor the display to see if the calibration message disappears and test your heating or cooling system once calibration is complete. Fix 3. Inspect HVAC wiring. Turn off power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker and remove the thermostat from the wall plate. Now check that all wires are securely connected to their terminals and make sure the C wire, common wire, is properly connected. Fix 4. Power cycle the HVAC system. Turn off the HVAC system at the breaker and wait for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now turn the breaker back on and allow the HVAC equipment and thermostat to restart. Then check if the calibration message has cleared. Fix 5. Factory reset the thermostat. Open settings on the Ecobee thermostat and select reset. Now choose reset all settings and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Then reconnect Wi-Fi and configure your HVAC equipment again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.